Hey, Melanin Bae.
Hey, Melanin Bae.
Hey, Melanin. Oh my God, I can't do it, guys. What's going on, guys? We just did a refresh on our website. Not only did we finally update our blogs and our how-to section, but we also launched new Melanin Haircare soft blend tank tops and t-shirts. They are super buttery soft, oversized for that perfect snuggleability, and they feature some of our iconic Melanin Haircare quotes. Go check out our exclusive Melanin Haircare soft blend tank tops and t-shirts on our newly refreshed website today. Hey guys, so I figured I'd do head-to-head with two products I feel like you guys might be interested in. This is the DevaCurl Supermousse versus the Pattern Curl Mousse. I'm just gonna hop right in, guys. Like, I don't have a lot to say. I just want to try these mousses. I got things to do. I know you got things to do. Let's keep it moving. So I'm out the shower. I'm all deep conditioned. It's really important that you deep condition prior to using a mousse because a lot of times you can't put anything under them. So what is the solution? Deep condition. Make sure your hair is nice and hydrated and moisturized prior to applying, and then you don't have to worry about your hair being dry underneath or drying out over time. Plumping deep conditioner is amazing for that. I really need to do my grays. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're gonna ignore that, okay? I did use my Luxe t-shirt towel to soak up the water, although I know the DevaCurl one specifically says to apply on soaking wet hair, but I don't want to sit here with soaking wet hair. I'm sorry, it's not happening. My water bottle, and I will just spray. So this is the DevaCurl Supermousse. It's a coconut infused volumizer. The description says it gives curls 3-day volume with enhanced bounce, shine, and a soft no crunch finish. It's a humidity resistant formula that reduces frizz and flyaways. And it gives coarse curls ultimate curl flexibility. That was amazing. Oh, that was so freaking satisfying. That was so oh my God. Okay, distribute through. It feels very moisturizing. Actually it's very strong smelling. Literally the most fun. That is so much fun. This reminds me of the sudsy bath soaps when you were a kid. There we go. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's nice. Feels really good. I'm hoping that I didn't use too much because I'm working the white stuff in and it's not really disappearing. So I hope that this white stuff is gonna, as it soaks into the hair, I'm hoping it disappears. We'll find out. Just like the directions say, the more soaking wet your hair, the better. Just gonna keep going. So much. It is so much fun. Has a very different hold from other mousse that I've used before. Definitely like a soft, not crunchy feel to it. And look at the movement. It's so nice. Be interested to see how much hold this actually gives. Well, at least you can no longer see the gray on this side of my head. It's just all gray. It's just all gray. I feel like it's about half gone. I'm gonna move on to the other side. But first, if you're like me, you're juggling all different types of responsibilities throughout the day. There's so many different roles that I play that I tend to get pretty overwhelmed and stressed. So that's why I was so excited to learn about the sponsor of today's video, Care Of. Care Of is the personalized subscription service that ships directly to your door. High quality, personalized vitamins, supplements, and powders every single month. The ingredients are good for you, clean, and backed by science. But what I like best is that your individual pack of supplements that they send to you is chosen specifically for you based on your personal dietary needs, lifestyles, and health goals. It takes all the guesswork and confusion out of trying to figure out and researching which vitamins and supplements are going to relieve your personal challenges and struggles. And it stops you from wasting money on big, bulky multivitamins that your body may not even need. It's really quick and easy to get started. Just take Care Of's personalized quiz, which asks you questions about your current diet, your health goals, and how you're currently feeling. And Care Of will then recommend you the right vitamins and supplements for your specific needs and goals. I personally shared with Kara Quiz that I was experiencing low energy, stress, and bloating, and I was shipped straight to my door these perfect individual packs of vitamins that I can then just grab and go. It's a monthly supply, and the packages are plant-based, sustainable, and compostable. I've been using them for a few weeks, and so far my energy level has increased. I've been finding it a lot easier to focus on my tasks throughout the workday. The ingredients are thoughtfully sourced and researched back. It's really everything that I believe a good product should be. Good for you, healthy nutrients that are backed by science. I invite you to see what a personalized plan can do for you. Take the Care of quiz today to see which vitamins and supplements they recommend to help with your current daily struggles. Click the link below and use my code NATURAL85 for 50% off. Yes, I said 50, half off your first order. That is super generous. Thank you so much to Kara for collaborating with me on this video. Okay, so on the second side, we're using the Pattern Curl Mousse with marshmallow root and castor oil. And the description says it delivers pillowy volume and touchable hold to curls. This one doesn't have to be applied on soaking wet hair, but I just want to get it a little bit more damp. Okay, yeah. This is a normal foam texture that I'm used to. Yeah, it feels really good. Well, that feels great. Cool. Put way too much on this one. Oh my god. I like how this one applies. It's a very wet formula, which is the reason why your hair can be damp and not soaking wet when it goes on. And I like that actually better than having to have your hair soaking wet. It just gives you more flexibility in where and how you apply the product. And also, like, nobody wants soaking wet hair down their neck. So actually, I love this. Put way too much on that first section, so I'm gonna actually mix it with another section. And I don't even need to spray this. I feel like it's be okay. Yeah, I like how this feels. And I like that I can kind of separate the clumps as well. It feels great. I really like how this sets a lot. I like it better than this side. I'm not gonna lie. I can already tell. I already know which one's gonna win. I can just tell straight from the application. I think I'm just gonna be really interested to see the moisture level when it sets. Not gonna use too much this time. That's more appropriate. It's nice. I like that you don't have to use too much to get a good coating on this. Then you'll be able to use less product, which is nice. Love it. Look how fast it soaks in too compared to this side, which is like still white. Like I'm concerned. Obviously, if this stays white, then I use too much. Like I can see up here, kind of soaked in, but concerning here. But look at that. Wow, that looks great. The other side. The pattern side applied so much faster. Like I was in and out. I didn't have to fumble with water. It's already soaked in. I can kind of see like what I'm working with and I'm out the door. Like I'm gonna give it everything a fair chance, obviously. I will say that this super mousse, it was so much fun to put on. It almost feels more like a cream than a mousse. But as you can see, like the curls are just popping on this side. Like I feel like we have a clear winner already, but I'm not gonna make my decision. But I feel like I'll see you when this dries. So guys, I'm back. It's been about 2.5 hours. My hair is not completely dried, but it looks great. So the pattern side is giving definition, plumpiness. My shape is looking really nice. The DevaCurl side is giving volume. The definition is not as great, I will say. My hair definitely feels soft. I was looking at some of the reviews and some people were saying that their hair was dry. I did deep condition before doing this. I don't know how much of that is the effects of my deep conditioner, but I always want to make sure that I'm doing a deep condition before I add mousse, just to be sure. It's not 100% dry, which means it's going to shrink up even more, but I just think I can call it, you know? I think I was given the choice. Which of these are you using again? I'm gonna have to go with pattern. For a mousse, I want my hair to be defined. I want the curls to pop, and I just think that pattern is giving that a lot better. My curls are more defined and elongated. Economically, I was able to use less. Even if I used less of the DevaCurl mousse than I did, it still wouldn't have been less than what I used for the pattern. And the DevaCurl product is more expensive. I believe it was $25 and I got 5 ounces of it, and this one was $20 and I received 8 ounces. And I always like to look at my price per ounce ratio. It's not a terrible product. I feel like it has its time and its place, but the pattern was giving. It was giving a little bit better. I think you guys can see that on your own as well. To be fair, the DevaCurl mousse didn't say anything in the description about being a defining mousse, so I'll give it that. It is made for volume and it is definitely giving volume, and it also does have curl defining properties, so that's a plus, especially since it doesn't claim to have it in the description. So I'm just trying to give credit where credit is due, but it is very expensive. It's $34 for 5 ounces. That's crazy. I literally have 2 separate heads of hair here. I cut some bangs here when I had my straight hair, which is why you're seeing this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and style it now. I'm gonna head to the office. Let me know which you think won in the comments below. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one.